This is really very unique way of climbing. Wow. He climbs just like monkey. Wow. He's very skillful. Again, another very senior person is going to swing in the row. He's going to display his skill. He's one of the oldest participants for these competitions. And here are the two judges. They're trying hard to see their performance. He's really swinging very well experienced. One of the most senior competitor. Wow! He's really very experienced competitor. He's using all his experience in this competition. He's not an easy guy. People are really enjoying his performance. Asking for more swings, more skills. He's done. He really performed very well despite he's very old. Everyone is appreciating his performance here. He's disqualified. He's disqualified. 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 He's too fast. Yes, he has completed. Wow. Marjabam wins the first prize in the Tarzan rope swings. He wins the second prize in Tarzan rope swing. He wins the